Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the newest products. This is a countertop selling electric steam warmers. And let me give it the overall dimensions first. Its unit is about like a 17 inches. And the depth of the unit is almost about like 18.5 inches. And the overall height, they are about like 8.5 inches tall. So we can see the units they coming with a front side. They do have two indicator lights, one for the power, one for the operatings. And you can see the temperature adjusters. They give you from the 30 degrees to 110 degrees and switching from this side to the other side, from the small to the big. And also they have a drain. This is a faucet. You can just open there to let the water goes out and clean the inside. And also the unit standard with the 110 plugs from the manufacturers. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. And from the manufacturers, they offer the 4 small containers. And for each of the containers, it is about like a 6.5 inches wide and 7 inches long and almost like a 6 inches deep. For the inner side, we can see they do have elements inner side, and also they have water levels right here. They give you the information to telling you the minimal water heights and the maximum water heights. So we can feel the units made by all stainless steels, even these caps. They also have the food grade 304 stainless steels. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.